one of the old projects I found on my PC. I actually found some of the projects I did many years ago when I started building GUI applications with Python using tkinter library. Okay, I actually found it very interesting. Although I must say that many of the code at the back end, many of the codes at the back end isn't actually the way has been written in an improper way. All right, there are many concepts and many things I didn't know then. I was just writing to the best of my knowledge as at then. All right, so however, I'll still post it the same way it is. All right, I've not made any modifications or adjustments to them. All right, so this is one of the projects, and this project is basically kind of like hospital management system. Basically saves hospital records. Okay, HMO means hospital management. Sorry, health management organization. Health management organization, and then so the software kinds of save records them if any organization affiliates itself with the hospital, we kind of register them, and then we also can kind of register patients, all right, patients, spouses, children, or any other person who wants to voluntarily kind of register as under any health management insurance schemes, kind of something like that. All right, so as you can see at the right hand part here, I have some dummy data. Okay, I actually had to take time to go through this project again to remember many of the things it was all about. It's been a while, actually, some years now. All right, and I hope that this project is going to kind of help somebody out there who is a beginner who is looking into moving from script writing and running programs on command interface to like building graphical user interfaces with tkinter especially. Perhaps you're going to learn one or two things here, hopefully. All right, so let's get started. So well, if I click anything here, basically nothing happens. Just kind of well, check parameters like so, and then if I type anything here like an ID, let's say HI, and then just give any HMO name like let's just say health manager, and like so, and then I say register. It says HMO registered successfully. All right, so I can over here I can open the database to check out what it looks like. Yeah, everything is saved in a single database file actually. So I'm just gonna open the file. I'm gonna open the file, database file. Okay, it's gonna load. Okay. All right, it just saved it in HMO. Here it is. And then if I scroll down, you see this is the recent entry I just entered now. Okay, works really fine. Let me close that. Okay, yeah, so pretty much kind of does all right, CRUD operations, create, update, delete kind of operation. And if I enter any NHI's number, say any kind of, just enter a random number here, and let's just say a name, Adams. Let's say Adams Mia, something like this, and she's a female, and she's a principal, and of course principal selected. I guess actually all this should be grayed out. Well, anyways, a lot of things to fix here. A lot of things, even the arrangement and all. So well, register, and it says principal registered, and if I refresh my data, okay, let me refresh. Okay, so you see I actually have Adams Mia here now, and I could actually modify this guy here. Say I actually made a mistake. I want to change the name to Adams Altaya, and I just update the record and says, do you want to? Yes, I want to. As you see, it actually updated. What more can we do? Could actually delete, and before we delete, we'll actually search. Let's say we want to search for all the names that have A in them. Let me say search, so all these have A's, and then let's say we want all ADs. See, all there's AD here, AD, 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 like so, and so on and so forth. You could also delete. All right, let's delete the last entry, Adam's tire, and delete patient. You want to delete? Yes. All right, see, it's actually gone. All right, so the same thing applies here, kind of, all right, and also here. Basically, so kind of just something very simple to start with. Learning CRUD operations with Python and tkinter. The database that have been used is SQLite 3. All right, quite simple, I believe, for a start. Okay. I hope somebody learned something here. So I've actually shared the code. I've hosted the code on my GitHub account. Sorry, yes, on my GitHub. There's a repository for it, and hopefully I'm going to keep sharing all my old projects on my GitHub. Okay, so that'll be all for now. If there is any question or so, feel free to chat me up or put your comment or questions at the comment section. And the link to the my GitHub account will be at the video description. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video.